Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Roll VTR.
Happy birthday, bye! Salamat sa mga pag-approve mo sa mga request ko. Malaking tulong ka talaga sa akin. I wish you all the best and the best wish you all.
Hi Ma'am Daisy, happy birthday po. Wish you all the best. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday po. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Sana mag-asawa ka na.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daisy. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday Ma'am Daisy, pengi schedule.
Ay, Ma'am Daisy, happy birthday. Sana, mabait ka, pero sana maging mabait ka pa rin.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Daisy. Sana di ako mawala ng schedule. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Go. Happy birthday, Dungseng! Saranghe! Ayan na.
Hi Dongseong, annyeonghaseyo. Happy birthday. Proud of you. Sana pagpatuloy mo lahat ng ginagawa mo. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo sa amin. Pagmamahal ka namin.
Happy birthday Ma'am Daisy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Ma'am Daisy. Wish you all the best and God bless. Happy birthday Daisy, pasok ako bukas.
Hi Days, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you would have a wonderful birthday to celebrate. And thank you for being one of my closest friends sa channel. Love you.
Happy birthday, Seng! Enjoy your day. Laking papasalamat ko nung naging admin ka. Tapos ikaw din ang unang nagbigay sa akin ng black face mask para hindi ako papagalitan. Sa trabaho, nandyan ka. Ikaw yung maalalay para sa akin. Thank you, Seng. Happy birthday again.
Ay, wait lang. Nag-ano po ko, sir? Kasi...
Hindi kita. Okay na yan.
Oily mo ka.
Hindi yan.
Yan. Happy birthday, Daisy.
Happy birthday, Daisy.
Oh, ang tayo.
Wala naman yung Tagalog.
Happy birthday,
Daisy Palimon. Daisy, happy birthday. Ay, babe pala. Happy birthday, babe. I love you.
Message. Sana.
Sana. Lumaki ka na.
Geng.
Game. 1, 2, 3.
Daisy, happy birthday. Geng.
Happy birthday, love. Thank you for your existence. Wish you good health. And lagi na tayo magkasama pag nagsa-celebrate ng birthday. Asahan mo yan. And thank you for the love. Thank you for the heart. And go sa career natin. Gawin natin lahat ng pwede natin gawin sa family natin. Tulungan kita. Nasabi ko na sa'yo dati. And I love you so much.